Alright folks, so today we are on a 2016 70-foot Pershing. Let's take a quick walkthrough. This is the forward sun pad with a little bimini top and a cushion. You have the aft sun pad with twin tables. You have the main salon here with an expandable table, 2 couches to lay on. The captain center, this is the helm. This boat has surface drives, MTU engines. Let's take a step downstairs. We're in the galley. We have a fridge, an oven, stovetop, sink. We have the VIP forward cabin, portside twin guests, and the master cabin.